Whee! Where are you going?
Taking all the snow with you, Sam.
What's going on?
Say mush, Auntie, mush! Mush! Auntie fell down.
See what's going on, huh?
See, I'm a heavy baby, huh?
This is a workout.
Oh, I bet.
You want to go back down?
Mama is sliding down.
Yeah, I keep slipping in it.
Oh my god.
And I'm in boots.
What's the matter? You want more?
What's up?
Babe, you want to go down?
Well, take it down, Sam.
You want to go down the hill?
You want to go down the hill? You ready to look at Auntie?
Whee!
Auntie's gonna fall on her face. Yes, she is.
Was that fun? Yay! You gonna do it again? You gonna do it again?
Wow, Missy.
Yeah, throwing snowballs at babies.
And pulls it. Well, don't just sit there and wave. Let's go. I'll get one side, you do it.
Look, you're really moving now, huh? You gonna go up the side? Wee!
Alright, let's get some of the snow out from under her. Yeah, fine.
I'm gonna get down the hill a little bit.